What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn a simple, fast, effective and free method in order to enable, add and activate 2FA or two-factor authentication or two-steps authentication into our WordPress login. Okay, so now when you are logging into your WordPress, you only have to enter with your email or username and password. However, let's learn how to apply an extra layer of security to your account. So imagine that you are, for example, the website administrator and you need to secure your account because if some persons know your password, know your email and can enter into your site and do a lot of bad things. So let's learn how to do this into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in your choose internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to our WordPress dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Once into this page, review the upper right corner next to the keyword box into the search plugins and type WP2FA. This is the guide that you are looking for, okay? Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin setup page. No need to worry, okay? You can follow the steps like right here. So into the welcome, let us help you to get started. So let's get started. Click right here. With 2FA methods can users use one-time code via 2FA app, one-time code via email. I prefer the 2FA app, but this is up to you, okay? If your WordPress can send emails, so you can click right here to check if your WordPress can send emails. We have a tutorial explaining this into the visualmodo.com site, okay? But this one, it's the most secure one. You know, when you have Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator apps onto your mobile phone, into your smartphone. If not, go to App Store or Google Play and download those apps, okay? Can be Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator. Both are excellent and free. So continue setup. You can, and we recommend that you copy the backup codes, because if you lost, for example, your mobile phone and can use the 2FA authenticator any longer, you're gonna need to use the backup codes in order to access your site, reset the plugin and set it into another mobile, okay? So continue setup. Do you want to enforce 2FA for some or all the users? This is very important, okay? So only for specific users, for example, can be some specific users, your site admins, okay? For example, we want to enforce, or we want to force the users to have 2FA if they are administrators, for example, okay? So, or you can simply set it as do not endorse for any users. And I'm gonna explain why you need to do this, okay? So, do not enforce to all users, okay? You can create a lot of problems on your site, especially if you have a lot of customers, persons using your site. So, do not enforce for any users is the option. All done. Congratulations, you are almost there. And then we can configure the 2FA now or close the wizard. Let's configure the 2FA now. As you can see, this is gonna redirect us to the, let me close this just to show you better. This is gonna enclose us to the users page. So once onto WordPress dashboard, left sidebar of menus, users, all users, find the users that you would like to enable the 2FA authenticator. In this case, it's my user, okay, my username. And here is the option. I'm gonna scroll it down until you find this option right here. Two-factor authenticator settings, configure 2FA. And all I have to do now is enter to download an application for 2FA. They have some suggestions in the case that you prefer right here. Here are some names for you, okay? Google, Authy, Microsoft, okay? You can use the one you like. Just scan this code, okay? And this is gonna be ready. Let me show you while I get my phone. So my phone already grabbed this QR code. I'm gonna click into the I'm ready. This is gonna ask me to enter the code that keeps changing according to some times. Let me type the code. And after entering the code, I got this message. Congratulations, you have enabled Two-Step Authenticator to your user. Your login just got more secure. Generate list of backup codes. This is very, very important. Click right here, copy the backup codes and enter, save into some secure file of your, wherever you want, but save into some safe place, okay? Those secure codes are really, really important, okay? So after this, let me log out and show you how this is gonna work, okay? So now if I try to log in to my WordPress website, I'm gonna ask it to enter the 2FA code that I'm gonna grab into my phone authenticator app, and I'm only gonna be able to load my site after entering this code right here, okay? So it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to raise a website backup before doing this process. In the case that anything goes wrong, you can have a safe point to back up, okay? And after this, make sure that you install our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using any page builder you like. You're gonna even gain pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme on the planet, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. It's completely free, it's gonna give you amazing customization options that not even some premium themes offer. Moreover, if you write a blog, would like to receive guest posts, to publish guest posts, to connect with a blogger community in order to do network, okay? Just submit your site on growth3ws.net. It's completely free and you're gonna gain a link to your blog right here, okay? Just like those bloggers already did. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium and save your time while doing your site with extra features, unlocking access to your templates library of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, and gain access to our full support, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.